Welcome back to Car. Today, we're diving into the much-anticipated 2025 Maruti Suzuki XL7, with the fresh design and upgraded features. This MPV is set to redefine family travel. Let's check it out. First up, the exterior. The 2025 XL7 boasts a bold front grille and sleek LED headlamps that give it a modern look. The side profile features stylish alloy wheels and character lines that enhance its sporty stance. The rear is equally impressive with LED tail lights and a refined bumper design. One of the standout features of the XL7 is its flexible seating arrangement. It comfortably seats up to 7 passengers, and the second and third row seats can be easily folded to create ample cargo space for all your travel needs. Under the hood, the 2025 XL7 is powered by a refined 1.5-liter petrol engine, delivering a smooth driving experience with excellent fuel efficiency. The automatic transmission provides effortless gear shifts, making city driving a breeze. Safety is a priority with the XL7, equipped with advanced safety features like dual airbags, ABS with EBD, and rear parking sensors. It also includes a robust body structure designed to keep you and your passengers safe. The 2025 Maruti Suzuki XL7 comes in various trims, catering to different budgets. Starting at an attractive price point, it offers great value for families looking for reliability and space. So, is the 2025 Maruti Suzuki XL7 the perfect family MPV? With its stylish design, comfortable interior, and impressive safety features, it certainly checks a lot of boxes. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews from Car. Until next time, drive safe.